FUBO, stock analysis and price predictions for Fubotv stock. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Finally, just looking at Fubotv, this is a solid bullish market which is inside my demand zone. And the one thing that I've been just waiting to see is just a proper double break confirmation so I can finally be able to take things further higher. And here's the thing, I'm yet to see it. It's so close to my break-even point on the swing side, but it is what it is. Like, even if it does happen, then, you know, I'm not gonna just cry about it. Like, it's the same risks as these lower time frame ones, so like no sweat. It's just more so like a set it and forget it thing, you know, some swing. But with Fubo, I also got about this amount of 14 results in the Discord right there. So I'm not telling you, you know, like that I'm randomly gonna buy. It's just that I'm waiting for a confirmation in order to do that. And please do your own due diligence. Not that this is just you should listen to me. Do your own fundamentals, all that good jazz. That's how it's looking like for me for the nearest future. And again, all I'm sticking to is just my edge now. If you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.